Maombi.
Mucirithania Mugure Thande wa Igoti rinene athire kamiti ya IEBC ikahuthira register ya gucabithia neria ya mitambo gukurana aikia kura cecenini cia wuikia wa kura. Murugamo hau kabere wa kamiti norari gukahuthira mitambo ya kimskit gukurana aikia kura na gitumi kia ati register ya gucabithio no ithogwo. Mucirithania Thande akiuga gikiti gitumi kiiganu.
Where the kimskit malfunctions during identification or results transmission, the presiding officers are required to notify the returning officer.
Maciira na ndikia mohoro nyumba-ini ya mishemanio ya Bomas, makamishna a IEBC ni maugite matua ta maya maria magoti mararekereria maria cerere ni maragagaia wihariria wao.
The voter is at first instance identified biometrically at the polling station, and in the event that the voter cannot be identified using their fingerprint due to missing fingers, or the biometrics were not properly captured during registration, the presiding officer shall authorize use of a complementary mechanism.
Warugamiria kamiti no ni mahithuririe maratathi maicigo 10 cia wuikia wa kura matiri marakinya guku bururi-ini kuma Athens Greece kuria maracabithirio.
Some ballot papers have not arrived, and they will arrive tomorrow. And that now makes us a bit jittery, that when they arrive tomorrow, we have to fast track those and take them to their various stations.
The ones which Commissioner mentioned is where we had court cases, and these are around 10 areas, and mainly to do with petitions which were in court.
Rianirira riri nirihithuritie mahoro wihariri-ini wa kamiti no hari gukinyaniria githurano kia muthi wa keri kiumia turorete.
Anything which comes now close to election, we have to sit as a commission and give a way forward, whether to suspend or to see what is possibly practical.
Wagwetererwo riu ni kuona migariurire ya kamiti no noria mekuhota gukinyaniria mehariria maria mothe marendekana thiku 4 mbere ya githurano kinene. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nungari wa Kamau.